Hey guys, it's Chelsea from Byrider out in Waukesha. I'm just letting you know that we have this beautiful 2010 Lincoln MKT. It is here and it's ready to go home with you today. And it's here just in time for our tax time promotion. Don't forget, we can get you driving now, paying later. All we need is your last pay stub from every job worked in 2021. So you can stop in and see us. Give us a call at 262-506-3131. Let's take a look at some of these amazing features that it has for you. The car has a beautiful interior and exterior, third row, dual sunroof, climate control in the back seat. The dashboard is beautiful and ready to go, and it has the dual memory for passengers and drivers. Low miles, functions on the steering wheel, clear backup cam, tons of room in the back, and the luxury of the car closing, the trunk closing on its own. Come in and see it before this car is gone. Again, it's here and ready to go for you today.